I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Today I have actually went ahead and set aside $20 for this cash stuffing video. So basically how this game works is that I'm going to take a dice, roll it, whichever number that shows up upright, that is how much I'm going to be cash stuffing in each of my birthday binder envelopes. Okay, I also like to call this the spoil her binder. It is dedicated to things that I want to do for my birthday. All right, so I will just roll the dice, and whichever number that shows upright, that's how much I will cash stuff in that envelope. If you're interested in these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. I want you guys to follow me into the end of this journey. I want to show you by June 23rd of 2025 that just adding these little small amounts every time you're able to, okay, whatever you can do within your budget for you to save, it will add up. You will reap the rewards. Okay, we're going to go ahead and count this money, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 $20. Also, another thing that I do, if I'm not able to stuff every single envelope, that is fine. I'll try it again the next go around. If I am able to stuff every envelope and still have money left over, I won't restuff them today. I'll just save that money for another stuffing video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and shake up this dice. We have $1 for birthday. I think this is the first time that birthday only got such a small amount. Hair gets $6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have hygiene, $2. 1 2 $2 for miscellaneous. We might can stuff all of our envelopes today. We'll see. I don't want to speak too soon. $3 for nails. 1 2 3. Perfume. $6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know, self-care and shopping hasn't been getting any love lately, but that's okay. At least the other envelopes have been getting love. And again, obviously when the time comes, there's, you know, if I need to dip into whatever envelope to cover my expenses for shopping or for self-care, I can. So it's not like a deal breaker that I'm not filling every single envelope with money. Okay, because at the end of the day, it's all going to one place, and it's coming to me, right? That place is me. So now we're going to go ahead and count the money and see how much we have in each envelope. Okay, so birthday has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Still haven't made it to the bank yet, y'all, but I will. Trust me, you guys will know, because then those 10s, those 5s, 20s will be more prevalent and more evident, okay, in these envelopes. All right, so hair, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 for hair. Next we have hygiene. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, we climbing up there. We getting up there. Next, we have miscellaneous. And again, please watch until the end because I will be putting the total amount saved overall for the total envelopes in the binder on the screen, okay? So we can see our progress. So now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 for miscellaneous. Next, we have nails. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 for nails. Next, we have perfume. We have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Next, we have self-care. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Lastly, we have shopping, which still only has $20. Alright, and as you can see, we have stuffed all of the cash that we had set aside to save today. So that is the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.